In this lesson, we will do several subqueries simultaneously in one query. Let's see. We have product that their unit price is higher than the unit price of product number 4. Here we see unit price, product number 4, and we want the unit price of the main query to be higher than that. And the category number is the same as the category of product name tofu. So we want the category ID to be the same as the product name tofu, and they not exist as part of product name ikura. So we have 3 conditions, and 2 of them are subqueries. In the end, we get the product name, what we want, and the unit price that is higher than the product ID 4, and the category ID that is the same as tofu, and of course none of them are product name ikura. Let's see it in the SQL server. Let's understand it query by query. We have select asterisk from the products. This is all rows in the table products. We want that the unit price will be higher than the product ID 4. What is product ID 4? We see that the unit price of product ID 4 is 22. We want all the unit price to be higher than 22. This is why we'll do where the product ID is 4. We get 22. We want only the unit price. Here we have the unit price of product 4. The next filter we want the category ID to be as the category ID of tofu. Select asterisk from the products. Here we want that the product name tofu, this is the product name, we want the category of this product name. So the category is 7. The filter will be where the product name is tofu. And we get the category of tofu. The category ID is 7. From till now we have the unit price that is 22 and the category we have that is 7. Now let's build a main query. The main query will be select. We want the product name and unit price. Let's add also the category ID. So we have the category ID, the product name, and the unit price from products. When running it, we have the entire category ID, the product name, and unit price. We want first filter that the unit price will be higher than the unit price of product ID 4. The unit price of product ID 4 is 22, so we want it to be higher than 22. So let's wait with it. The second thing that we want, and because we want this and other filter, we want that the category ID to be as the same as tofu. When running it, the category of tofu is 7. So we want the category ID to be 7. Now when running it, we have not only that the unit price is higher than 22, also the category ID is 7. And we want to make sure that the product name is not Ikura. If we run this, we see that the product name is not Ikura. So we have three filters with and between them. Now we don't want the values, we want to add the subquery, the query that we use to understand the unit price and the category ID. So what we do, we erase the 22 and instead we insert this subquery. We need to remember parentheses, and here this is the query close parentheses. So we have the first filter. Instead of 22, we answered subquery 22, and instead of 7, we don't want the number 7, we want the subquery that gave us the 7. We open parentheses, insert it, and now we have 7 in the subquery. If we run all this together, we get both of the filters. Filter 1, the unit price is higher than 22, and the filter 2, that the category ID is the same as TOEFL. All the products are from category ID, and we don't have the product name Ikura.